All audio signals transmit sound information with a certain amount of strength associated with the signal inputs and outputs. Guitar and microphone signal levels are generally very weak. Line level signals are relatively strong, and audio amplifiers have higher power output levels. Be aware that there's a lot of technical theory behind these sound levels that is much more detailed than what we will be covering in this video clip. We encourage viewers to explore this subject matter further if needed. What is line level? Line level is a term used to designate the strength of an audio signal used to transmit analog sound information between audio components via inputs and outputs. Some examples include CD and MP3 players, iPads, signal processing equipment, mixing consoles, small or large, and amplifier inputs. There are two types of line levels: consumer, which is -10 dBV, and professional, which is +4 dBu. Typically, consumer line level products will use RCA connections, as shown above, and professional line level signals will use XLR connections or TRS quarter-inch stereo connections. This mixing board uses TRS quarter-inch stereo balanced or TS quarter-inch mono unbalanced connections. Here are a few notes regarding line level. Sound system equipment uses mainly professional line level signals, which is +4 dBu. The voltage associated with a line level signal is around 1.23 volts. 1.23 volts is equal to +4 dBu. Warning: never plug a line level source into a microphone input. This will cause distortion and overdrive the signal. There are ways to plug a line level device into a microphone input using an attenuator. As a musician or beginner technician, the main point here is to remember to plug line level signals into a line level input and microphones into a microphone level input. It's very important not to assume that line level on a piece of audio equipment is professional level. You should always refer to the equipment manual to verify which type of line level the equipment utilizes. Here is one example. The image shown below is from a Marshall acoustic guitar amp. As you can see, there are two different outputs: line out and DI out, which is direct input out. Don't assume that these line level outputs are professional +4 dBu line levels. Read the equipment's manual. After reading the manual for this particular amplifier, it was found that both line out and DI out are consumer line level, which is -10 dBV. Line out on this amplifier is mainly used for connections to recording equipment, but can also be used for plugging into a stage snake to connect to the mixing board. DI out provides a direct connection to the mixing board. This type of connection ensures that the amplifier's output signal matches the signal that the mixing console is requiring. You can also run longer cables using the DI out connection without degrading the guitar's sound quality. Audio signals are the electrical signals, AC, flowing through the mixer and wires. These signals are fast and travel through the air at around 1,080 feet per second. Audio signals are AC, alternating current, not DC, direct current. Acoustic signals slowly move the cones of speakers through the air. When referring to line levels, it is common to refer to +4 dBu as only +4 and -10 dBV as -10. We've covered a few basics regarding line level without getting too technical. The information presented should be suitable for any musician or beginner technician to understand what line level is, some differences, and also a better understanding of how to make connections. Don't forget to visit our website at www.avcssTechworld.com.